For more than 20 years, Universal Medical has been the healthcare industry's premier independent provider of new and reconditioned SPECT systems, field service, technical and certified clinical application support, training, and high-quality new and reconditioned parts. In a demanding field that has been transformed by countless external challenges, it's important to understand the key characteristics that distinguish Universal as a nuclear medicine leader.
From the very beginning, tried to take care of our customers, tell the truth. Everybody says that they're honest, and the only time proves who really is. And we've had 20 years, a little more than 20 years now, to build a reputation of honesty, fair dealing, taking care of people, even when it hurts, even when it costs us. We try not to have too many of those where it actually costs us to do the right thing, and it's netted out very well. So service is all about helping people really have a better life by taking problems away so that they can focus on their real business. We say that internally, it's our business to take care of this equipment. The person who's using it, that's not their business. They're taking care of patients. They're doing medicine. We're doing electronics and mechanical work and whatever else has to be done.
We are able to determine what they need, not necessarily what they want. There's many customers who call us and say that they want the latest and greatest piece of equipment, and then after we become close to them, build a relationship with them, we come to find out that they don't need all those things, and we can help them to determine what the best product is for them and their facility.
While most nuclear imaging camera providers perform dust and clean operations and call it refurbishing, at Universal Medical, we recondition. We deliver systems capable of long-term high performance. It requires rigorous reconditioning, quality parts testing and replacement with OEM parts, and expert installation and servicing. There's a difference, and we want you to know. Universal has been reconditioning nuclear medicine imaging systems to better than new performance longer than anyone in the industry.
Once the system is reassembled, it's ready for testing, calibration, new corrections, and motion calibration. We then configure the system to the customer's order and then turn it over to QA for final checks.
Our deep expertise in rebuilding and testing systems from all major manufacturers pays off for our customers every time we install a camera. We ask our customers the right questions before recommending a SPECT nuclear imaging solution and ensure that every reconditioned system meets all clinical and budgetary requirements. Speaking of expertise, a cornerstone of Universal's philosophy is to build an unparalleled team of certified technicians and engineers that provide expert maintenance with rapid turnaround time. Our team builds a trust relationship with our customers' in-house nuclear imaging technologists and biomedical engineers, often providing them with the knowledge they need to thrive in their careers. We provide technologist clinical imaging training covering a wide range of applications including cardiology, musculoskeletal, infection, oncology, neurology, and general nuclear imaging.
Once a camera meets our quality standards and is installed, I will follow up with the customers on site to be assured that that camera meets their clinical patient needs.
And that current and new employees know how to operate their department's SPECT cameras and apply current clinical imaging techniques. Clinical engineers receive hands-on camera maintenance and service training at their site and at our training facility located outside of St. Louis. Our certified trainers teach comprehensive courses that qualify our students for credits toward maintaining CBET and/or AAMI certifications.
Our goal on the reconditioned system, and this has happened several times, is that whenever we recondition a system and we deliver that system to them, the customer says, well, wait a minute, I thought I bought a refurbished system or a reconditioned system. This looks like brand new. That's what we all want.
At Universal Medical, we have built a sterling reputation for outstanding customer support. Nuclear medicine imaging departments across the country count on Universal to keep their systems operating at peak performance. We are committed to providing economical, dependable service across a wide range of customer situations.
I take the most pride in being the best at what we do. Taking care of the customer first, and that may be not taking care of the system that's broke first. That may actually be taking care of the personal customer first, and that may be done by fixing the system, or maybe done by training the customer, relieving the customer of any stress of worrying about the system not working or what's going on with it.
With an appreciation for the budget constraints faced by nuclear medicine departments, we work closely with every customer to meet specific operation and business requirements. From full-service maintenance, where everything is included, to tailored programs offering preventive maintenance, capped camera coverage, first-pass service, time and materials, and more, our priority is to reduce costs and improve performance. Our professional deinstallation, packing, and shipping services can move equipment to a new site, install it, perform startup diagnostics, and ensure the system is ready for full operation.
I'd say the driver has to be the customer's need. So we have customers that call us up and yeah, we're doing service for them, but then they'd say, you know, this camera is really old and it needs to be replaced. And we would have equipment, so that's when we started to do reconditioning of the system, and we'd install it for them. And of course that would come with a warranty and instant service. So that was a thing that drove that, was the actual customer's need, and that's why we started to do that. Then that morphed into more parts needs, and soon after parts we had training, which eventually came into place also, because a lot of our support was because there's so many people out there who are not trained. They know how to work on it, but they don't know how to get into the details of it, which is where we come in. We help them through the details, and at times that's whenever we would go on site and help them through if they can't do it on their own on site. The reason we do all these extra steps, our philosophy as a company, is to have continued satisfied customers. So whenever they're down, no matter when it is, we're going to be there to help them.
That we've never left a customer hanging, ever. And we've learned over the years how important that is, because we start, again, after a year, start hearing the feedback coming back around and saying that that's one of the things we really like about you guys, is that we know, because we have the experience of knowing, that you will deal with things no matter what.